Wait. Hi everybody. I've got a little helper with me today, my little boy. That was all blurry. My little boy wants to help, so I've given him permission to unwrap while I do all the chatting. So we're on day number 14, so he's gonna introduce himself. Hi! And he's going to open it, so you just need to make sure that you keep it in the thing so that everyone can see. Okay, so that's it. Wow. Bit further up. There you go. Okay, so open it out a little bit. Okay. So this one is, I'm not sure. Would you say mermaid or unicorn? What do you think, Ewan?
I think mermaid.
Yeah. What do you think, Lucy?
Mermaid.
Oh, so these two vote for mermaid. And I'm really not sure. I think this could quite easily pass as both. So we have got, let's just hold it up and give a little twist so you can see all the colours. You just mind your fingers, you can't see it. There we go. So it has got a few little speckly bits again. So some deeper bits. Oh, thank you. Yes, that's very helpful. Thank you. And yeah, so we've got the blues, pinks and some deeper pinks as well. It's almost purple. So this is another beautiful one. These two have voted that this is a mermaid one, so let me know what you think down in the comments. But I will see you again for another one later in this video, because I forgot this is going to be a bumper one where we'll do a few days all at once. So this is the 14th. So another beautiful one. So another absolutely beautiful yarn. So we will do the 15th in just a second. Okay.
Is that right? 15?
Yep. There you go. Okay, so we're on to the 15th now, and again I've got a different helper this time. My daughter's helping me with this one. So Kayla, do you want to open that one for me? Make sure you keep it in the screen though, in the shot. I think everyone's going to love the scrunchie that you've got on your wrist. Ooh, this looks nice and bright. Wow, look at these colours. Oh, and a little extra something. Okay, thank you, that's brilliant. Wow, look at the colours. Let's just wait for the camera, there we go. Look at the colours in this one. I know I said the other day, and pretty much every day, that they're all my favourite, but I do absolutely love, because I really love bright neon colours like this. I always think the camera doesn't quite pick up just how neon the yellows and the pinks are, because I think the light from the camera actually lightens it a little bit, but it is so bold. These colours are absolutely amazing. So we've got all kinds of neons in here. We've got the blues, the purples, pinks, orange, that amazing yellow. That is super duper, that one. So bright. Absolutely love it. And then we got a little extra something which has gone on a wander. Here we go. Thank you. So we've got another beautiful stitch marker here. So I'm just going to hold it up in the hope. I don't think the camera can quite pick up on this. Hang on. There we go. So it's like a little mermaid scales rainbow stitch marker. They've got amazing colours in that as well. So there we go, we've got the beautiful stitch marker, which goes absolutely perfectly with the colours in this particular one. So there we go, that is the 15th. And my box is looking rather depleted now. I can't believe we've not actually got that many left to go. It's so sad. I've really enjoyed doing this. So that's 15th, and I will see you in just a second where it will be Monday the 16th, which I will probably be doing on my own because the kids will be in school. See you then. Hi everybody, and we're on day 16 now. I don't know why I keep saying hello. I've just remembered all of this is going to be in one video, but anyway. Apologies if the lighting isn't particularly great on this one, but it is actually dark. I wasn't able to film during the day today because my little boy hasn't been very well and I had to keep him off school for today. So, oh, there we go. As if on cue, there's a little cough. Anyway, so day 16. There we go. Looks like another unicorn one, I think. It looks quite pastel-y. Oh, actually, I'm not really sure what I would class this one as. So we've got some really pretty pale pinks and a mix with the pale blue. And then we've got some really nice speckles again as well. So it looks like it's the original dyes that are creating the speckles. So they're obviously this deep pink and beautiful blue. So again, I'm torn. I don't know how you'll interpret this one, whether you'll think it's mermaid or unicorn. Some of them I do definitely think could be either. So yeah, very beautiful colours. I really like this section of blue up this end here. I think that looks really pretty. So there we go. So that was another bumper advent opening, so 3 days worth from the weekend, and we will be back to daily openings now for the next couple of days. But that's it for this one, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.